Yeah.
Mommy,
Aiden.
what are we doing?
We're eating breakfast.
Okay.
Is baby hungry?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, baby. Okay, it's very hot.
Okay.
와, 호에서 먹어. 와.
와 멋지네.
We are home and it was such a morning. We are so tired. We stopped by Target and I wanted to pick up the Play-Doh for Aiden. Yummy! 자, cut! I know, what kind of ice cream is this one? It looks like chocolate and like sorbet and all that. So, yeah, anyways. 엄마 거 thank you. I got a little ice cream smoothie. Don't eat for real, okay? We're pretend playing. Yeah, Aiden sort of napped in the car, so I'll probably skip any other napping for the rest of the day, and hopefully he'll go to bed a little early.
This brittle.
I thought you want this one.
No.
No, you want that one? Okay. So yeah, we're just going to spend rest of the day at home. Just chill. It's such a beautiful day. Maybe we'll go out for a walk. But anyways, let's talk about the run. So it wasn't a full marathon. They had a, here you go. Can you try it again? They did it was 5K, 10K, and a dash. Like, it's called drumstick dash for little ones. So after the last person came in for the 10K, yeah, so they did 1, 2, so 2 and under was the first part. The second one was like 3, 4, and the third one was like 5 and above. I don't know, but Aiden definitely was one of the older kids. Thank you. Yummy. Definitely one of the older kids, and he was running the fastest. The moment the start, what is it called, start bell went off, he was just the first to go. This one? Okay. I didn't realize until later that a lot of the kids were running with their moms, and I'm pretty sure it's because they're much younger than Aiden, probably like a year or maybe like half a year younger than him. But there was a kid that ended up coming in first, but he came with his mom. And Aiden came in after, but he ran the whole thing by himself. So I'm gonna say that he's, in my heart, he's in first place. How many ice creams are you making?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 ice creams? Oh my gosh, you better brush your teeth.
No.
Okay.
Next,
more ice cream? Alright.
more ice cream here.
Yeah, more ice cream? Okay, yeah, put more ice cream then. You wanna put the pink ice cream?
Yeah.
Why are all the ice creams poop? color. Wow, okay.
That one.
What kind of ice cream is this one?
Rainbow.
This is a rainbow ice cream? Alright, thank you so much. I'm gonna try it right now. Can I get a spoon, please?
Okay.
Where's
Where's
You tell me, this is your store. Where's the spoon?
Mac
I'm waiting. Where's the spoon? Can you find me the green spoon? No, that's a knife. I don't want to eat my ice cream with a knife. Green spoon.
You're here.
Oh, thank you. Now I get to try my ice cream.
Yum, 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 yum,
Yummy! Wow, you have the best ice cream in the world. Thank you, Mr. Aiden.
Okay.
Thank you. How much do I owe you for this? How many dollars do I owe you?
4.
$4? Wow, it's $1 cheaper than before. Here, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Mmm. 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 안에 플레이트 주세요. 피자?
Wow, yummy. I can cook.
아, 그거.
What's that?
It's called salad.
Salad.
Hmm. tiptoe? 아이고, 나, 아, 쳐라! 이 나타가 나갔다. 자. 아, 춥지? 얘 보면 안 추워?
Where?
왜요?
Where are you?
It's color. Okay.
What's the color?
Okay.
What's the color?
I went through the whole bottle jar of this coconut oil. Yeah. Let me show them. Look, this is the coconut oil that I've been using for his hair and skin. Cause he was okay, but at one point he was just getting very dry. His hair was getting very like frizzy and yeah, 얼굴 졸려 and just I don't know. It's like
color me.
okay, we'll go color fish. So I just got a new one. All right, let's go. I think he's getting a little tired. Aiden just went down. It's 2 hours earlier than he normally goes to bed because I told you, I thought I told you, like, so Aiden's been going down for bed really late, like 9:30. On a good day it's 9 o'clock, so I was kind of getting worried because it's pretty late for a toddler to go to bed, but he's just not sleepy. It's not that we keep him up, he just will not go down. Like, you could have the busiest day, he's always on his feet doing like stimulating things or not, whatever it was, he just did not go down before 9 o'clock. So I've been kind of cutting down his nap during the day, and today I know he got like probably not even an hour of nap in the car after the turkey run thing. So yeah, he went down at 7 o'clock right now, so I'm okay with it. He might kind of wake up in the middle of the night, but we'll see. I don't think he will. I am here. I'm a little tired and I was sort of falling asleep too, but I'm going to just kind of tidy up the house a little bit, and then I am gonna do my best to finish editing the video, and then hopefully it'll be up by Monday.